Feeling a bit off? Not quite yourself? Brits have a lovely way of talking about their health, often dramatic, sometimes hilarious, and always packed with idioms. In today's lesson, we're diving into 5 idioms, or 5 common British expressions, to describe feeling ill, recovering, or back to full form. Welcome back to your daily cup of English. I'm Jimmy, and this is lesson 7 of our British idiom speaking course. If you've ever heard someone say they're under the weather, this is the video for you. I'll cover 5 must-know idioms, then you'll hear them used in a conversation. And of course, you'll get to practice speaking them with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a lesson. Let's jump in and feel better about our English. Now, first, I'm going to tell you the 5 idioms that we're going to learn today and their meanings. So, idiom number 1, under the weather. The meaning of this idiom is, I feel unwell. Idiom number 2, in a bad way. Meaning seriously ill or struggling. Idiom number 3, right as rain. Feeling completely healthy again. Idiom number 4, a bit peaky. Looking or feeling slightly unwell. And idiom number 5, on the mend. Recovering or getting better. Now, on to the speaking practice. Let me tell you first how it works. In part 1, you'll hear a full conversation using all 5 of the idioms. This part you listen only. Notice the tone and the natural rhythm, okay? And in part 2, it's your turn to speak. One of the speakers will be muted, okay? And the words will come up on the screen. I want you to read them out aloud, as if you and I are having a conversation. And in part 3, we swap roles. I read what you said, and you read what I said, okay? And this way, you'll get a full interactional experience on the whole conversation. So, are you ready to start our conversation? Good. Today's conversation is all about health. Now, imagine we're 2 friends and we're chatting over the phone. Yeah, this is a phone call between you and I, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. You all right? You look a bit peaky.
Yeah, I've been under the weather all week. Caught something nasty.
You were in a bad way on Monday. I was worried.
Feeling loads better now. Definitely on the mend.
Glad to hear it. You'll be all right as rain in no time. You all right? You look a bit peaky. You were in a bad way on Monday. I was worried. Glad to hear it. You'll be all right as rain in no time. Yeah, I've been under the weather all week. Caught something nasty. Oh, feeling loads better now. Definitely on the mend. And just like that, you've learned 5 classic idioms to talk about health and recovery, perfect for everyday conversations, especially during the cold season. Bit of a challenge for you. Comment below using one of these idioms. Maybe about a time you were under the weather or finally on the mend. But be sure, like, subscribe and ring that bell, because in lesson 8, we're heading back to school. Get ready for some brilliant idioms about learning, revising, and being a total brain box. And I'll see you in that video. Ta-da!